how to fix Windows security blank issue on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are continuously getting the issue of Windows security showing blank on your Windows 11, here are a few solutions that you can try on. To get started with, search for Windows security in the search bar, or you could go to the settings. Once you open the settings, go to the option of System. Under System, select System Components and then search for Windows Security. Under the Windows Security, you will see different options. Scroll down a bit and then you will see the Reset section. Tap on Repair button first of all to solve the issue. However, if this does not work, tap on the Reset button as well. After that, restart the computer and your issue should be fixed. However, if it does not, let's go to the method 2. For this, you have to open the registry editor and go to the location mentioned. Once you go to Edge key local machine, go to System and then on current control set, then on Services and on Security Health Service. Once that is done, double click on Start and change the value data to 3. Now select on OK and you are good to go. Make sure to restart the computer after this is done. Now for the final solution, you have to right click on the Start button and then tap on Terminal which says Admin. This will open the command prompt or terminal with the administrative access. Hereby you have a command that you need to run. The command is displayed on the screen, and once this is done, your problem should be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.